Hi, I'm Emily Beavers, and I'm here with
Beavers and Morris.
And we're going to be teaching you about
the ear
and the human voice, and how the heck they relate to sound waves.
We're going to be showing you various clips and demonstrations to help you understand these concepts.
Now let's get on with the video. But wait, what is sound? Well, here's a cool definition straight from Wikipedia. Sound is a traveling wave that is an oscillation of pressure transmitted through a solid, liquid, or gas, composed within the range of hearing into levels sufficiently strong to be heard, or the sensations stimulated in organs of hearing by such vibrations. When air is exhaled through the lungs and through the larynx, this causes the vocal cords to vibrate, like this. Put your hands on your throat, now say ah.
I can feel the vibrations.
See?
Another example of this is with a balloon. Blow it up and stretch the neck of the balloon to allow a little bit of air out.
The air coming out of the balloon causes the neck of the balloon to vibrate, making a noise. By stretching the balloon, it controls the sound, just like you can control the sound of your own voice. When soprano singers sing, they make sound waves with a high pitch.
Now watch me hit these high notes.
'Cause you and I.
Bass singers make sound waves with a low pitch. Now watch me hit these low notes.
Because you know I'm all about that bass, no.
As you know, the vocal cords are used to create sound for the voice. The air comes out of the lungs, through the trachea, and into the larynx. The air makes the vocal cords vibrate. When vibrated, the air is alternately trapped and then released. Each air of release sends a little puff of air into the pharynx, like this. Each puff of air is the beginning of a sound wave.
Now let's talk about the ear. Here's a diagram to show you how sound waves travel through the ear. There are three parts to the ear: the external, internal, and the middle. Sound waves travel through the ear like this. They go in the outer ear, through the inner ear canal, and they make the tiny bones in the middle of the ear vibrate and hit the eardrum, like this. When it hits the eardrum, it makes tiny hair follicles in the ear to vibrate, like this, which sends nerve impulses to the brain. Did you know that sound relates to reflection?
Oh.
Well, when sound hits a barrier, it bounces right back, creating an echo.
Echo! 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 Echo!
Sound waves are passed from air to liquid in the inner ear that contains tiny hair cells which react to sound waves, triggering chemicals that are sent to the brain as nerve endings. All you're going to need for this experiment is some string and a metal spoon. Now come with me to the table. So what you're going to do is you're going to tie the string around the metal spoon. Then you're going to twist the string around 2 fingers inside, and then you're going to stick it in your ears. Then you'll hit the spoon on the table and you'll hear the vibrations in your ears.
Sound always has to have something to travel through,
Like
water.
This is called a medium.
Now come with us as we perform this next experiment. For this experiment, you'll need 4 glasses and water and a stick or pencil. Line the glasses up next to each other like so. Next, fill them with different amounts of water. The first should have just a little water, while the last should be almost full. The ones in between should have slightly more than the last. Hit the glass with the least amount of water and observe the sound. Then hit the glass with the most water, which makes the higher sound. Hit the other glasses and see what noise they make. See if you can get a tune going by hitting the glasses in a certain order. Now let's get it rockin'. 1, 2, 3, come on. Now for the big finish.
The last experiment was fun, but what was the point? What did it have to do with sound waves?
Well, each of the glasses will have a different tone when hit with a pencil. The one with the most water will have the lowest tone, while the one with the least amount of water will have the highest tone. Small vibrations are made when you hit the glass. This creates sound waves which travel through the water. More water means lower vibrations and a deeper tone.
Frequency is the pitch of a sound, how high or how low the sound is.
Thanks for watching our video on the ear and the human voice and how they relate to sound waves.
Sound waves.
We hope we made your learning about sound waves an enjoyable experience.